Hi. In this video, we'll go over the basics of the dealer key cabinet. At Grand Motor Cars, we use the Keyper System, which makes locating and accessing vehicle keys simple and intuitive. They look something like this. First, you need to get your credentials. When first started at the company, the reconditioning manager or the service manager will create you a username and will have you select your own PIN. Then, your fingerprint will be added to the system and matched to your credentials. Now, you have two options for authenticating, by entering your PIN code on the touchscreen or by using the integrated fingerprint reader. Once you are authenticated, you will be presented with the option for checking in or checking out. Let's start with the checkout process. First, log in. Then press checkout. When searching for a key by stock number, tap on name. You need to enter the entire or part dealer stock number, which is either the last 6 or last 8 digits of the VIN. After entering the stock number, tap on continue. Then select the desired key. Mark the reason for checking out the key. When done selecting the key or keys you need, press the checkout button. The door then unlocks. A flashing light on the top corner of the cabinet will indicate which of the cabinets the key is in. Open the door. An LED red light will flash at each selected key position. Gently push the fob and give it a quick twist to release it from the cabinet. Then close the cabinet door and you will be automatically logged out of the system. Now, let's review how to check in keys in the key cabinet. To check in a key, simply log in using your PIN or your fingerprint. Then tap on check in. The door then unlocks. If there is more than one cabinet, you will be presented with all available options. Select the cabinet you want to check the key in. Hit continue. Open the cabinet door. An LED light will illuminate at each of the open key positions. You can return the key to the slot of your choosing. Insert the fob and give it a slight twist. When the fob is secured to the panel, the system then recognizes that the key has been returned and the LED light for that slot will go off. Then close the cabinet door, and you will be automatically logged out of the system. Congratulations! You have successfully returned a key.